Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to the session of social studies. So students, today we are going to read about staying healthy, how we should live our life and fit, and what are the new innovation in the medical science. Let's start with the introduction. See, we realize the importance of being healthy and when we fall sick, how difficult and boring it is to be sick. We don't feel good, we cannot be active, we cannot enjoy food, and we miss fun at school with friends. But times have changed. Medical science is doing wonders. Now, with few precautions, we can live longer, long life. Let us learn about developments in science that have improved our health and increased our lifespan. So, here we have few medical gadgets. Number 1, clinical thermometer. What is clinical thermometer? Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body. It was invented by Gabriel Daniel Parent in 1740. A clinical thermometer is marked from 95 degree F to 110 degree F. A thermometer has a glass body with a thin glass tube inside. There is a bulb filled with mercury at one end. Normal body temperature is 98.4 degree or 37 degrees Celsius. When the body temperature goes above this, we are said to have fever. Fever is not a disease, but it is a very important symptoms. We may get fever due to viral infection like cold, cough, and bacterial function of the throat. We may get fever because of stomach infection or chest congestion. The list is endless. So, if we have this gadget, the name clinical thermometer, but we should use it properly. How we can use that? How do we use a thermometer? A thermometer is put in the mouth, under the tongue, or in the armpit for about 2 minutes to know the body temperature. When this is done, the mercury expands due to heat and rises up. The point at which it stops shows the exact body temperature. If the mercury does not rise beyond 98.4 degree fever, we do not have fever. A record of your daily temperature helps the doctor to know the cause and prescribe medication. Next, we have the stethoscope. The stethoscope was invented in France by Dr. René Laurens in 1816. One day, Dr. Rainey noticed sitting at two ends of a long and hollow piece of wood. One was whispering through it, and the other was listening. Unable to control himself, he asked the children what they were doing. They told him that through this long of wood they could hear even the softest of sound. Dr. Rainey was very excited as the thought struck him. He hurried back to his clinic and rolled a newspaper and placed one end of it on a patient's chest and the other to his ear. Wow, he could hear the heartbeat so clearly. This child may lead to the invention of the stethoscope. So today the stethoscope has gained great importance. It is used by the doctors to listen the sound of lungs, heart, and even intestines. Blood flow in arteries and veins. This has helped doctor to diagnose and treat many diseases. Next gadget we have microscope. What is microscope? A microscope is an instrument that makes even those objects look big that cannot be seen with the naked eyes. There are some other gadgets also, like there are X-ray, ultrasound, CAT scan, MRI machines that help doctor to find out about tumors, blockages, or any other abnormalities inside the organs. This is how surgeons are helped to perform operation with precision. The ECG machine helps to record the working of heart. Another machine that has been developed recently is the heart-lung machine. This machine takes over the functions of heart and lung in a body when these organs are not able to perform their functions. As I have shown you in the pic in series wise, first machine is of X-ray, second one is ultrasound, and third one is CAT scan, fourth one is MRI, and fifth one is ECG. Next, in the best development in the medical science is surgery and transplant. What is surgery and transplant? For some disease and health problem, the body is cut and open to cure the ailment. This is known as surgery. The doctor who is qualified to do it is called surgeon. Surgery helps people to live longer. In many cases, damaged organs are replaced too, as in kidney transplant to give longevity to a person whose kidney have failed. So these are the best development and achievements in medical science. This is all for the session, students. Thank you so much.